All right, so in this video, we are going to use graphing technology to basically solve these two questions here at the bottom. First question is 2 sine x equals to x squared, and our solutions are from negative pi to positive pi. So I'm going to use desmos. So in desmos, you want to put 2 sine x as your first equation. Make sure that it's in radians. If you want to switch desmos to radians, it's right here in the graph settings where you can switch from radians to degrees. And then the second equation is x squared. So I'm just going to put x to the power of 2 over here. And the range given in the question is from negative pi to positive pi. So negative pi is right over here and positive pi is right over here. And we want to see where the two graphs are equal to each other. So where these two graphs intersecting, Desmos already shows you the 2 points of intersection. There's the first point over there. So your first solution is just x equals 0. And your second solution is going to be this point over here, which is x equals to 1.404, which is kind of, I think, something like √2 or something like that, but you can just write it as a decimal, 1.404. So we have two solutions in this question, 0 and 1.404. You don't actually have to put the lines here in decimals, but basically it's just the x values of the, oops, I accidentally deleted the x squared. It's just the x values of these 2 points here, which are 0 and 1.404. Let's take a look at the second question. The second question is 2x cubed is greater than log x plus 1. So this solution is going to be an inequality. Then same thing, we want to go to Desmos, put in our first equation, which is 2x to the power of 3. And then the second equation is log x plus 1. And we want to find where 2x cubed is greater than log x plus 1. So where is the cubic function above the log function? We kind of have to zoom in here to see this, but now as we get closer over here, we can kind of tell a bit better. So let's start all the way at the left. All the way at the left, the log function, which is in blue, is above the cubic function. So we don't have to worry about any of this over here. But from here to here, we can tell that the cubic function goes above the log function. So this is one range of solutions over here. If you're writing this range of solutions, you're going to write the x value of this point, which is negative 0.566 less than equals, oh no, just less than, because I believe the question, there was no equal sign. Yep, there's no equal sign. So less than x, don't worry about that in Desmos, and less than this point over here, which is 0. So as you can see, Desmos is just highlighting the range of solutions, but technically in your answer, there won't be anything like that. But this is our first solution over here. Now, if we continue along this graph, the log is above the x cubed from here to here. But then anything after this point, the x cubed is above the log. So our second range of solutions will be everything after this point, which is just going to be x is greater than whatever this point is, which is 0.425. And again, Desmos highlights it there, basically all the ranges of solutions. But these are the two solutions to this question, negative 0.566 less than x less than 0, and x is greater than 0.425.